Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed repair guide. Today, we'll troubleshoot a common issue, a Lenovo ThinkPad E15 that won't turn on. Let's dive into the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve this problem. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage from static electricity. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced. Begin by unplugging the laptop from any power source and removing the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical shorts during the repair process. Look for the battery release latch on the underside of the laptop to remove it. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 8 to 10 Phillips screws. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is removed, visually inspect the internal components. Look for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If the area looks dusty or dirty, use compressed air to clean it out gently. This can often improve electrical connections and overall performance. Now, let's check the power supply. Using a multimeter, test the power adapter to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you find it's not providing the correct voltage, you may need to replace it. If you're unsure, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the RAM modules. These are typically seated in slots near the center of the laptop. Carefully unclip them and reseat them. Sometimes, loose RAM can cause the laptop not to power on. If you have multiple RAM sticks, try testing them one at a time to see if one is faulty. While you're inside the laptop, it's a good idea to take a look at the motherboard. Check for any bulging capacitors or damaged solder joints. If you notice any issues, it may require professional repair. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. After checking the internal components, reassemble the laptop by reversing the disassembly steps. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, and the back panel is fitted correctly. Reinsert the battery and plug in the power adapter. Now, press the power button and see if the laptop powers on. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo ThinkPad E15. If it doesn't, further diagnosis may be needed. If you're uncomfortable performing these steps or if your laptop still won't turn on, consider our services for hassle-free repairs. We handle everything from pickup and delivery at your home to providing a detailed quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple and effective way to get your device working again. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful in resolving your laptop issue. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.